Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast muffins. First, gather your simple ingredients like day-old bread, a few eggs, some milk, and your favorite spices. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, cube your bread into small 1/2-inch pieces. This preparation ensures every bite is perfectly golden and delicious. Now let's create that irresistible custard. In a medium bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar until well combined. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. Mix everything thoroughly until the custard is smooth and ready for the bread. With your custard ready, it's time to combine the elements. Gently fold the cubed bread into the prepared custard mixture, making sure every piece is thoroughly coated. Let the bread soak for about 10 minutes. This allows it to absorb all that delicious liquid, ensuring a moist and flavorful muffin. This step is key for perfect texture. Finally, it's time to bake. Distribute the soaked bread evenly into 12 greased muffin cups. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let them cool slightly, then serve warm with your favorite toppings like maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.